What's the meaning of bird's nest soup? Bird's nest soup. Bird's nest soup.
Bird's nest soup. Bird's nest soup. Bird's nest soup is a Chinese delicacy made from the nests of swiftlets, small birds found in Southeast Asia. The nests are built from the bird's saliva and are harvested from caves or specially constructed buildings. The soup is believed to have health benefits such as improving skin complexion and boosting the immune system. It is also considered a luxury food item and is often served at banquets or given as a gift. However, there are concerns about the sustainability and ethical issues surrounding the harvesting of these nests, as well as potential health risks associated with consuming them.